Hi, this is Catherine from In the Pink Designs. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And my project today is this square Ferraro Rocher box. It fits 3 in there perfectly. And it is 3 3/4 by 1.5 by 1.5. Okay, and I used the brightly gleaming designer series paper, some Mossy Meadow Cardstock, sheer real red ribbon. The gold is from the Wonder of the Season ribbon combo pack, and this stamp and little circle, pointy circle, is from Wishes and Wonder stamp set and North Pole Wonder dies. Okay, so we're going to start with a piece of Mossy Meadow that is 6.5 by 5 1/4, and another one that is 4 9/16 by 4 9/16. So that just gives us a little bit of room so that this does not buckle the bottom. Okay, so let's start with the big one first. Okay, so on the 6.5 inch side, I'm going to pull this back a little so you can see. Treat. Huh. There we go. Okay, so we're going to score on the 6.5 inch side at 1/2, 2, 3.5, and 5. And I'm going to turn it to the 5 1/4 side, and we're going to score it at 1.5. Okay, that's it for the big piece. Okay, now the smaller piece, we're just going to score at 1.5 on all 4 sides. It looks like a tic-tac-toe board. Okay, let's fold and burnish over here. Okay. All right, let's start with the larger piece, and this is what we're going to do. We only have to cut out this little piece and then just separate the bottom. Okay, so with your long skinny rectangle on the right hand side, we're going to cut the bottom one off and then wedge a little bit up on the one above it. Okay, and then for the whole bottom, I'm just going to cut really close to the score line on each side so I can take the score line out. Okay. All right, and for the smaller piece, we're going to kind of make it like a pinwheel. So we're going to start with the bottom left-hand side. Okay, and we're going to cut the square in the middle straight and then wedge the 2 side ones, the edges of the side one. Okay, then we're going to turn it just 1/4 turn, and we're going to keep the middle square straight and just wedge a little bit out of the side square. Turn it 1/4 turn again, straight, wedge, and wedge. One more time, 1/4 turn. So what we're going to do is the bottom first, and we need our tearing tape. And we'll put it on the skinny rectangle. Alright, and then fold over that piece there, and then fold the other side to meet it. Okay, so this with the seam is going to be the back. Okay, so we'll put in the sides, fold in the back, and this is the piece we're going to put more tearing tape on. Okay, and we'll just make sure it's as square as we can get it, and then just poke down. Alrighty. Okay, now that's our box part. Now for the top, we're going to flip it. Nope, we don't flip it, sorry. We're going to do the top part, and we're going to put tape on all 4 of the wedge tabs. Okay. Okie dokie. Now we're just going to go around again and put those tabs behind each middle square piece. All right, let's see. Perfect. Okay, you see that? It has some resistance, but it's not making the sides pucker at all. And what I'm going to do is there was just a little bit here that shows up above. I'm just going to snip that. Okay. Still got that. There we go. Okay. So now we need our designer series paper. And you need 4 pieces that are 1 3/8 by 3 5/8. That's for the sides of this box. And then you need 5 for the sides and 1 for the top that are 1 3/8 by 1 3/8. I'm gonna get my seal. I think there is a top and bottom to this. I'm just trying to find it. the top. Okie doke. Where's the back? There it is. Okay. Now, I have this Mossy Meadow piece, and from the stamp set, just the to and from. I'm going to use my piece, and I need a Versamark pad, and I'm going to just lightly tap on it, and then I'm going to stamp it right there. I have some gold Stampin' and Emboss powder. Looks good, and I'll be right back. I'm just going to heat this with the heat tool. Okay, we need our sheer red ribbon, and I'm going to tie this right around. Oh wait, we have to put in our 3 Ferraro Rocher. Goes sideways sometimes. There we go. Oops. Alright, and then we're going to tie a bow. Oh, goodness. Okay, and then we need our gold cord from Wonder of the Season Ribbon Combo Pack. Put it through, open the loop, and pull it through the loop. Okay, and then we're going to put it underneath the 2 sides of the bow. And just tie it. And I'm just going to cut those off, and there you go. You have your 2 Ferraro Rocher holders. Great for office gifts or just little favors for the table or co-workers. That's what I said, office gift. Thank you so much for joining me. You can shop for all these supplies with me at the address at the top of the screen, catherineseaman.stampinup.net, and I will link my blog below, which will have all the details. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. See you next time. Bye.